Tastes like it's been in the fridge for a week and a half, which I think it has. Yeah, that's pretty bad.
Is it?
It's rancid.
Thanks for the heads up.
All right, so in the queue, submitted for permit, under construction. Can I see the other piece? So what I think you need to do is get all this in one spreadsheet. I know having a huge human lingering over your shoulder is like really, really conducive to a good work environment. Yeah, there's like no doubt. Like, talk about like things that'll go in open door. He'd stand behind me and breathe. All right, so let's look at this. So let's make this a smidge smaller. All right, so first of all, hello everybody, how are we doing?
Great.
Wonderful. Besides being prompt, I'm friendly, which makes up for a lot. I don't disagree with you, but I don't think the focal point needs to be the construction of these. I think the focal point needs to be the permits. So now let's do this. I'll use red. Hopefully the thing works. It partially works. All right, and that's going to be done at the end of this month. Thank you.
To fucking work.
That's an eraser. But it does work. But it does work. It does work. No good deed goes unpunished. Hysterical. Ooh, there we go. Is everybody in the mood for a little levity? Is it levity? On levity? Levity? All right. So this is a long time ago, an old man. So a girl I dated for 8 years in my life, she's this beautiful woman. She had it had like leaks in it, and it, like the windows would steam from the inside because it would just it was just hideous. So at some point in our relationship, thank you, she's like, I need to get a new car. And I'm scared of salespeople. Will you go with me? So I'm like, sure, no problem. I'm like, I don't know, 28. So I'm like negotiating hard. And we're negotiating for the car and negotiating and negotiating. And we get the price of the car right. And he's like, well, now we got to talk about the trade-in. But then he wanted to do it at the beginning. I'm like, nope, that's a separate transaction. We will deal with this first and then we will deal with this second. So he's like, okay, we get into the thing and I'm trying to get the price of the car right. And I know it's a complete piece of shit. It has no brakes, it leaks, it's terrible. So I watched the guy drive around the entire lot and he pulls up and he almost hits the building. He literally almost hits the front door. And this guy's kind of a scumbag and he walks in, he's like, that thing? Cherry. So whenever I heard the word cherry, that's the first thing I think of. Oh, that's got to be a 20-year-old story, but God, it makes me laugh.